everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my bathroom, and we are going to put on a shower head today. So I got this shower head here. It has the little screw-on apparatus, and then it has all the rest of the stuff, but I'm just gonna get it going and show you guys how easy it is to do. My shower is ridiculously high, but we get the idea here where this will screw onto here. If I can do it, yes. So I'm gonna show you how easy this thing is. Okay, so there we go. So, okay, so now we have the apparatus on there, and then we're gonna have this, and we're gonna have our, what's it called? I don't know, the chain thingy. Oops, dropped the washer. Okay, so the way this is gonna work is we will put the little washer inside of there and screw it on to my handle. Okay. Almost done. And then we have this part here, and we're going to need another washer for that, which came in the bag. It also came with this Teflon tape. Mine already had some Teflon tape on it already, so I didn't do it because I had replaced the shower head recently. But you get the idea. But then we're going to put this on here. I put a little washer in there, and I'll screw it onto this. And at this point, we're pretty much done. So we're going to turn it on here. Let's see if I can do this without getting too much wet. Okay, so here we go. So there, wow, that's got a good strong stream. And so we have that way. It can rotate different modes. Oh, look at that, it squirts out the end. You can squirt out the end, squirt out the end like that. We have this one here, like a misting way. Lots of different functions. Wow, so much water coming out. This is awesome. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. This is a great shower head. Holy mackerel. And then I'm not gonna put it on there right now. I'm not taking a shower. But, oh man, my ceiling's all wet. But okay, but then you just put it up there and you can aim it down. It's on a swivel and whatever. So there, now it's aimed at me. So there we go. So now I have a new shower head. That was about as easy as it gets. I mean, we're 2 minutes in and I put on a shower head. So super awesome, thumbs up for sure. Pick up one of these. This is the greatest shower head ever. I'm gonna actually switch it around and put this one in my main shower. I'm just in my guest room shower, but I'm gonna use that one for me. Super awesome, thumbs up for sure.